Imagine a world where communication and customer relationship management seamlessly converge. Well, with VitalPBX's CRM integration, that world is now a reality. By using our CRM integration feature in VitalPBX, you can easily link your communication system with well-known CRM providers like Salesforce, Zoho, and others. Picture this. Every call, every interaction, and every customer touchpoint synced automatically between VitalPBX and your trusted CRM platform. Say goodbye to manual data entry and hello to a frictionless experience. VitalPBX and your CRM work together effortlessly, enhancing productivity and driving growth. Gain invaluable customer insights by harnessing the power of VitalPBX's call logs and customer data within your CRM. Understand your customers like never before. With seamless collaboration between your teams, your sales, marketing, and customer service departments can work in harmony, armed with a comprehensive understanding of your customers. Are you ready to revolutionize your communication and customer relationships? Visit our website to explore the endless possibilities.